Welcome to another How to Bake, and today I'm going to show you how to make super tasty burger buns made of brioche. Let's start with our ingredients. I recommend using a strong high protein American flour because we have a lot of sugar in our dough. Then we need salt, high amount of dry yeast because the sugar is also damaging the yeast. There is the sugar, whole egg, some milk and butter. Put all of your ingredients into the mixer, but wait with the butter. Start mixing slow until everything is well mixed. Now go fast speed and mix until your dough is well developed and the dough temperature should be around 26 degrees. When your dough has reached that point, it is ready to put the butter in. Mix your butter in on fast speed for around 2 minutes. Make sure that the butter is well mixed into the dough. Use a bowl like this and put some flour in it. Then put your dough into the bowl and cover it up. Let it rest for 30 minutes on room temperature. After 30 minutes you will see that the dough looks bigger. Now it's time to divide them into 6 pieces of 70 grams each. And then shape them round. I like my burger buns decorated with sesame seeds, but that's up to you. Glaze your buns with whole egg to make them shine and the seeds won't fall off. Dip them into the seeds and place them onto your baking tray. Leave some space in between because they will get bigger. I'm using my box again to let them proof. Let them proof for at least 1 hour. It might take a little longer to get a nice volume because of the high amount of sugar in the dough. I'm using some hot water to create moist and heat in my box. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees. After 1 hour they should have reached a nice volume. Now they are ready to bake. Use some steam and bake them for 8 to 10 minutes. When the buns are in, decrease the oven temperature to 180 degrees. Thank you for watching, and did you like this video, then please like and subscribe.